Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a rather complex topic that's been puzzling some of you in the Quarkus community. If you've ever encountered the H15007 illegal argument on static metamodel field injection error during Quarkus startup with Hibernate Envers, then this video is for you. This error can be particularly frustrating because it doesn't immediately point to a clear solution. But don't worry, we're going to break down what's causing this issue and walk through the steps to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to overcome this obstacle and get your Quarkus application up and running smoothly. So let's dive into the root cause of this error. The H15007 illegal argument on static metamodel field injection error typically occurs when there's an issue with the metamodel generation or configuration in your Hibernate Envers setup. To understand why this happens, we need to take a step back and look at how Quarkus integrates with Hibernate. Quarkus is designed to provide a fast and efficient way of building Java applications, and it achieves this through various optimizations, including bytecode recording and ahead-of-time compilation. However, these optimizations can sometimes lead to issues when working with frameworks that rely heavily on runtime reflection, such as Hibernate Envers. The metamodel in Hibernate is essentially a class that provides metadata about your entity classes. It's used by Hibernate to determine the structure of your database tables and how they relate to each other. When Quarkus tries to optimize the bytecode for these metamodel classes, it can sometimes lead to issues with static field injection. To resolve this error, we need to instruct Quarkus not to optimize the metamodel classes. We can do this by adding a specific annotation to our entity classes, or by configuring Quarkus to exclude these classes from optimization. By doing so, we're essentially telling Quarkus to leave the metamodel classes alone and let Hibernate handle them as it normally would. Another common cause of this error is an incorrect configuration of the Envers listener in your persistence XML file. The Envers listener is responsible for auditing changes made to your entities, but if it's not properly configured, it can lead to issues with the metamodel generation. Make sure that you've correctly defined the listener and its corresponding audit strategy. To summarize the H15007 illegal argument on static metamodel field injection error during Quarkus startup with Hibernate Envers is typically caused by an issue with metamodel generation or configuration. To resolve this error, instruct Quarkus not to optimize the metamodel classes using specific annotations or configuration. Ensure that the Envers listener is correctly configured in your persistence.xml file. That's it for today, folks. We've taken a deep dive into the H15007 illegal argument on static metamodel field injection error and explored its causes and solutions. If you're still having trouble with this issue after watching this video, please don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on Quarkus, Hibernate, and Java development in general. And if you have any suggestions for future topics or questions you'd like us to answer, feel free to share them with us as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.